In front of me is OPPO Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Now select System and Update. Finally, hit Keyboard and Input Method to continue. Select Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Now finally, after locating text correction settings, you can click on them and tap on gray switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that mine was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!